What's chuffing going on, everybody? Good morning. Yeah, it's raining today. It's gonna be miserable. Something just fell over in the back of the van. I'm about to have a crash. Oh, crikey. I had a terrible night's sleep last night, so yeah, feeling good. Look at me with freshly showered. I look like I don't know, I look like some kind of mobster this morning with my hair all slicked back. Oh god, I'm really struggling. Cheers, mate. God, man. Yeah, so I had a terrible night's sleep last night. I went out to a restaurant because I had some good news yesterday, but it's like a private matter, but good news anyway. So I went out with my fiance. Yeah, I got engaged, by the way. I don't know what updates I need to tell you guys because it's been so long. I got engaged. I had surgery, etc., etc. Anyway, so last night I went out for dinner with my girlfriend, fiance, who I keep calling my girlfriend, which I need to get out of the habit of before she slaps me. And yeah, absolutely, just engulfed a pizza, garlic bread, chips, like just all the carbs last night, and I'm feeling I had a bad night's sleep because of that, you know, like just sort of, you know, you're just so full you can barely breathe and you're lying there and you're just like, oh, I just sort of really broken sleep. So I'm feeling crap today, but we're gonna get this patio sorted. I'm just on my way to get some fuel and a coffee. I definitely need a coffee this morning, but yeah, enjoy the video. I'm gonna try and collect my thoughts and go about my day. But yeah, I think it's Yorkshire's, not Yorkshire, but York stone patio. So, and the only hypo I've got, I managed to get some literally off Amazon. Luckily it is actually the right concentration, so it's fine. But oh, thanks. But I've only got two 5-litre tubs. I have actually got a load of proper sized barrels on order. And you know, hopefully they'll arrive soon. I think they arrive this week possibly, so you know, that'll make things a lot easier for the next few jobs. Also, I got a cool thing coming up. I'm going to upgrade my entire setup, not in terms of the pressure wash itself, but how it all works. I'm going to basically build out a new van setup fairly soon. It's probably going to take course over a little while, over like maybe a few weeks or so. But I'll try and do some videos on it. The first initial thing that's going to be cool is that I'm getting a new water tank so that I can van mount my system, because I'm fed up of getting stuff out of the van, and obviously now that I've had the surgery and stuff on my back, I'm trying to make my life easier and quicker. I mean, the benefits of having the system on the van is like, A, obviously for me, just with my back, it's just less risk of injury, and B, you can get through jobs quicker. So for example, if I have like 3 patios to do, ordinarily, like, you know, the way I'm having to work at the moment, you're talking 20 minutes to set up, 20 minutes to put away, so you're wasting 40 minutes a job. Whereas this way, it's a case of get out of the van, turn on the pressure wash and pull your reel out, and that's essentially it. You know, I mean, there might be a few things to get out, but you're definitely shaving off about an hour a job. So I could be able to do, you know, at least 1 extra job per day, you know, if I was busy or whatever, and that would be a massive help, you know, for busier periods. I mean, especially now that, you know, I mean, I know the weather looks crap today, but summer is coming, and yeah, you know, so that would be nice. My phone's ringing, I can't answer it. I'm driving. It's bad enough that I'm filming. But yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Right, enjoy the job. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we're at the job. It's a I'll give you a little quick tour, and we have a pathway here all the way down. Nice open area, and then just this little side patch. So I'll set you up and we'll get started. Whew.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I do apologise about the quality of the filming today. It's really raining, and because I have a really old GoPro, like all my videos are filmed on a Hero 3, which is like, what's that, like 7 or 8 generations back. It's like, I mean it does the job, but because I have to put it in the case steams up in the rain. I really need to get my my stuff together and buy a new GoPro, but I'm spending enough on the business at the moment. Anyway, I'm about to put the hypo down. It's not going to look all foamy and delicious as usual because I've bought a smaller tub and there's literally no room in it for surfactant, so you won't see it, but I'll spray it down and you know, and then I'll give you a tour of the results. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we are, I'll give you a little tour. So it came out really nice, to be honest, and the customer came out and said he's never seen it this colour since they've lived here, so that's always nice. A little bit disappointing come loose, but the majority of it's fine, which is great. Got rid of like almost all of the black spot. It's only literally like a handful left, so overall pretty good. Cool. Right, we are done and we're driving home, and obviously that customer had COVID. He told me he had a negative test today, so you know, I saw him yesterday about 10 foot away. I've seen him today in, I wouldn't say close proximity, but within, you know, like 10 feet again. So I'll keep you updated on the COVID side of things. Hopefully I don't get COVID. I mean, I've literally never had it, to my knowledge, like unless I've had a really like asymptomatic case. There was one cold I had where I lost my taste and smell for like literally 24 hours, and then I was fine, and I took a test then and that was negative. I think that was way back last summer. In one of my videos I talked about it, so that may or may not have been COVID, but I tested negative, so probably not. So, you know, like, I want to try and keep up my my winning streak of never having it, because like literally no one in my family had COVID at all, like no one at all in my immediate family, until about 2, maybe 3 months ago. My sister caught it, and my sister, she'd been using like, she basically just said, she was like, I'm just not getting it. Like, she just decided, she was like, I'm not having COVID, it's not gonna happen, I'm not getting it. And it worked for her. Like, she just had that attitude, like, you know, I'm gonna beat COVID with sheer will. But yeah, in the end she did get it. So fingers crossed, you know, it stays that way. You know, I'm hoping nobody out there watching this video has had any, you know, major suffering with COVID or anything like that. I hope everyone's doing well and, you know, doing the best they can to mitigate getting it. Like I'm obviously, like, I'm pretty much socially distanced all the time, and, you know, there's not a lot of talk about COVID these days because it's, like, by and large more or less forgotten about and over. But, you know, obviously people are still getting it because that guy's got it or had it. But yeah, I mean, people are going to hate me for this, and they're probably going to, in fact I probably shouldn't even be talking about it, but I am not vaccinated. I'm a disgusting unvaccinated individual. I'm not going to go into opinions because I don't want to argue with anyone, but I'm just not personally vaccinated, and so far I've been perfectly fine. I think everyone should do as they please and as they think is best for them, you know, based on their own risk assessment. But yeah, I probably shouldn't have said that on the channel because I'm probably going to either get banned or people will have a go at me. But, you know, I think everyone should have their choice, and that's that. I'm going to get some coffee, and that's it. End of the video. Have a good day.